Hello! Yeah!
Hot cross buns, 1 a penny, 2 a penny.
Hot cross buns. A good thing. But this shape also describes a problem, one you maybe not thought about. Let me tell you what the hot cross bun effect is and why it's a problem for analog control of games. This is a thumbstick. They're everywhere and they can do a lot. In theory, within this circle, all positions can be reached and held. No coordinate is privileged over another, in theory. In reality, the life of a stick looks more like this, more like a hot cross bun. Most of the stick's time is spent in 3 limited paths of movement. One of these is the perimeter. Lots of game genre invite the user to ride the gate. Rolling around the perimeter is a comfort because no balancing of forces is required. Other games rely on using one axis only. Driving games, for example, disable the y-axis. Fewer use y only, but in games that pure vertical path is still a common path. So why is this a problem? Wasting some of the stick's range is no tragedy, right? The wear pattern for any product is uneven. The problem becomes clear when you try to write using thumbsticks, as I do here. As you see, there is a pull toward the cardinal directions, pure vertical or pure horizontal, making curved movements very inaccurate. It's like an etch-a-sketch. Why does this happen? It's not because of the spring, not with thumbsticks anyway, because the centering effect is axis agnostic. It's with the friction and stiction in the potentiometers. And it's in the dead zone, built into software in case of the potentiometers drifting with age. Never mind a ballpoint pen, this is more like a sticky shopping trolley. Fortunately, games themselves don't require drawing style movement. Most games don't require drawing style movement. But some games really demonstrate this problem. In Sin and Punishment, these circular targets are hard because the circle of movement is smaller than the stick's gait, exposing the stick's lack of linearity. By contrast, Sin and Punishment 2, using a pointer, makes circles a pure pleasure. It's now commonly known how much assistance first-person shooter games give to controller players. And the biggest problem with thumbsticks is the hardware of the human hand. Thumbs don't have the strength to move with nuance, holding position like a whole hand can. Returning to the origin against the spring's force is beyond the thumb's comfort zone, so games let users just twang the stick back to the middle. Actually, games often allow users to clack from gate to gate like a very slack D-pad. This is analog, but it's dumbed down analog. Even Hall effect thumbsticks are still just thumbsticks. One day we'll have something less lumpy, something more steady. I'm one of the people working on ideas for this. In the meantime, at least we can enjoy our Easter eggs. Thank you for watching.
Give them to your sons, 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns.